Yo, yo. All right. All right. What is going on? It's Chill Trader. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn about crypto, NFTs, DeFi, metaverse, and all those kind of stuff, futures trading, spot trading, make sure you hit that like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my important crypto and trade updates. So welcome to the live stream. And how are you guys feeling today? We have hit all our target, and I hope you are following the right person on Twitter. There are a lot of big names on Twitter that I don't know. They keep on pushing that this is a bull trap. If this is a bull trap, how's the bear feeling right now? How's all the bears feeling right now? You feeling all right? Let me show you one chart here. No video. This one. One sec. Video. One guy's asking me how the trap bulls feeling. How are you guys feeling? How are you guys feeling? How are the trap bulls feeling right now? I'm feeling really bad right now, guys. I'm feeling really bad longing Bitcoin from that discount zone. Oh my goodness. How the bull traps feel. I will show you one ridiculous tweet right now. This is really ridiculous, guys. I don't know about this kind of people. They will get a lot of people liquidated. Oh my goodness. I will show you one tweet right now that made me want to fall out of my chair right now. Let me find my ultimate counter trading partner here on Twitter. How do I search this guy? Where's that guy? He blocked me maybe? One of the biggest, I will show. Let me just entertain you before we start discussing the chart. Bitcoin right now is at $18,750. That's our target, and I am on absolute gain right now. Let me fill up this cup full of ice. Cup full of ice, guys. Let me celebrate first our the trap bulls. So let's celebrate the bulls that are trapped right now. Let's celebrate. Oh, let me pull this. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. All right. Ultra smooth drink. All right. Let's celebrate. To be honest, badly regretting. Clear now. All right, bro, feeling very bad for myself. I did not long. All right, we can't hear you, so that's normal. I'm back, guys. I'm back with a muted stream, but let me show you this guy. Before we proceed, I want you to, oh my goodness, one of the biggest bull traps I've ever seen. Oh my goodness. Biggest bear trap. The number of let me show you the number of liquidations, by the way. Coin glass. Let me show you guys. My goodness, these people, I don't know. Number of liquidations right now. So here, in the past 12 hours, this is the biggest bull trap. My goodness. 154 million, mostly 90% short position has been liquidated. The biggest bull trap ever. Ah! The biggest bull trap I've ever seen. My goodness. One more. I'm gonna show you all his tweet, guys. Is the market bouncing higher than expected? Of course. We have been bouncing from the lows, guys, from the discount zone. Let me show you the discount zone. We have been bouncing from this key level support, another key level support, all that key level support managed to hold, guys, and the weekly time frame was super beautiful. This was the resistance. All right, let me show you the other chart here. This was the resistance. The entire body of the weekly candle is trading on top, and you call this bearish. My goodness. Is the expected capitulation taking long? Yes, of course. There's CPI report 6.5%, better than expected, and of course mostly are expecting that one. That's why we have seen a rally. I was expecting that one. I don't know, this guy is coming from which planet, but let me show you. Beautiful long positions, most crypto price right now on major resistance, but if it breaks and retests it as a support, the bears are in big trouble. 700% right now. This is 1000%, 2000% Ethereum long position from 1100. Right now Ethereum is trading at $1,400. Bitcoin long position 16,500. Right now the price is at 18,700, about to break that resistance. I will show you guys. Here's the VIP Discord, and this was already forecasted long time. This was already forecasted long time. Here. So if you are in the VIP and if you're reading the information here, I will explain it to you right now. BTC is still trading inside the falling wedge pattern, and the price, look at this chart. This was the first weekly candle close above the resistance line, $17,250. All right, and I have explained it here in the VIP Discord that huge falling wedge pattern in the weekly time frame with the zone resistance at 18,200 up to 18,600 area. This was the green zone. This was the green zone right here. And right now Bitcoin is poking this resistance, guys. Watch out. This is a very bullish candle, and of course we have this bullish divergence as explained previously. This chart was posted at around November 14, or here. This was posted very early, guys. Let me show you. So, major support using the support trend line at 16,600 level. So we have this major support trend line, the green line. This is the green line right here. Forming higher lows and higher highs, breaking above all the resistances right now. So here, level breaking this, daily and weekly closing below will confirm further move to the downside. We haven't seen that break of support. Means Bitcoin is going higher. Right now, Bitcoin is still on an uptrend with the same target, zone resistance. This was already predicted when Bitcoin was just trading at around $17,000. All right. And also, I'm showing here on this chart that previously I have set long position. I went all in. Here, when everyone is calling for $20,000, I went all in. April 2021, I went all in at 30,000 Bitcoin. Nobody believed in me at this level. Everyone is laughing at this entry point, 30,000 all in. Everyone is laughing because they are expecting $20,000, and we have hit 69,000. Took profit at around 65, another at 45 level. And here, when Bitcoin was trading at around 45, I already forecasted a 20,000 target. Everyone is shouting $100,000. We have hit 20,000. And right now, I will show you my post on Twitter, and I have clearly mentioned my target there. If you don't have time to listen to this, and if you want to know where to long, where to short, you will not make money on this market. You will get wrecked. If you don't have time for information, then there's no get quick rich scheme in this market. There's no quicker way to get rich, but you need to learn first and study. So here, Bitcoin right now is on the resistance, guys. Trying to break this resistance trend line. 1, 2, 3. This makes it valid. 1, 2, 3. All right. And of course, this is in confluence with the zone resistance. If you're going to check the daily time frame, Bitcoin right now is on the premium level using smart money concept, or this is the daily time frame, equilibrium level, guys. All right. So watch out, because I have forecasted, or I will show you the chart later on, showing that 20,000 or this premium level at around, this is already 21,000, but 20,000 target, 20,000 at around this level, guys. This will be the next target for Bitcoin if Bitcoin will break this zone resistance. All right. So I'm expecting a price action like this. This actually feels like the start of 2021. But again, we need to play this bite-sized pieces. We trade by ranges. So first, this will be our range right now. From this support trend line up to 20,000 level. If the price daily candle close above 18,800, highly likely Bitcoin will hit 20,000. Watch out for the daily candle close today. That's very important. Not a financial advice. All right, so another one. Let me show you guys. Before we discuss some charts. And let me know if you have any questions. Let me know in the chat section down below if you have any charts that you would like to look at right now. We can do that live. And of course, if you have been watching Trade Challenge, we have hit our target in BitGet. Let me open my BitGet account here, or let me open just the BitGet chart. Let me show you also some of the tweets here, or the counter trades that I made, guys. Good morning, no changes. So here, I'll show you more. bearish retest everywhere. Don't get fooled. Don't get fooled, guys. Beware. Another one. I'm not buying. The inability to break 17,000 says it all. I'll show you my reply here. How about the inability to break 15,000? 500% using 125x leverage. Entry point 16,500. This was the start, guys. The inability to break 17,000 says it all. Right now, Bitcoin is trading at around 18,000. Also manages to reach 19,000 today. My goodness. Bitcoin was able to hit $19,000 today. That was $1,000 less from my target. Later, I'm going to show you why 20,000. Let me show you another one. This is a very good one. Here. This is very good. Adding the last part to BNB short. The last part. Take note. Adding the last part. Meaning he is going all in on this trade. Adding the last part to my BNB short. Average entry at 265. All right. So here's my comment, guys. Adding short position on a possible bull flag in the lower time frame. Bitcoin was forming a bull flag here, and he wants to add short position. At around his average is at 265. The breakout target for this bull flag is 265. Look at this, guys. Bull flag. Bam. Target was hit. His entry was hit. And this was the chart that I've shared. Bitcoin was already trading above 265. You see, massive pump, guys. 278. And I think BNB right now is trading at around 285. Long position, counter trade was very good. All right. I actually FOMO'd into the $40 bait here, which is really a bad idea. All right. Welcome to the stream, guys. Let me check some of our viewers here. We have DevD, the first right now. We have also AZAC Hyman. We also have EZD. These are OGs here in the live stream. I made $10 based on your last live analysis. Thanks. I deeply appreciate you, sir. Thank you for joining me, and congratulations. Great intro. Hello, long time no stream. TRXZ. Matheos is still here. Welcome, guys. Luna Leon. We have also Muhammad Zaid. Con Bikiri. We can't hear you. Dev D. Okay now. Rizwan Khan. Muhammad Zaid. Bro, feeling very bad myself. Did not long. To be honest, bad regretting. Clear now. You'll soon be legendary trader. Thank you for that. I will bet on this. Dude, can you bet you will win against Capo now? I've been trading. I have showed you guys every trade, every counter trade. Still here. Easy D. Don't forget to smash the like, guys. Smash those likes, and of course subscribe if you haven't done it yet. So let me show you the tweet. This is the amount of liquidation today, 96 million, and it keeps on going up because of the short squeeze that is happening, because mostly are expecting $10,000. I did not said you. I said I. Soon, I can bet you will win now against Cap. Yeah. All right, so here's the update, weekly time frame. So Bitcoin right now, watch out again for the daily candle close. Let's check Bitcoins first. Oscillator is in the overbought area. So that is first confluence. We have the resistance trend line here. That's second confluence. We have the order blocks here, a lot of positions waiting here. I think these are all short positions. So I'm expecting all of this orange line here are likely to be short positions, guys. You don't want to be longing at this area. Mostly are going to set short position at this area. If there is a liquidation wick that will happen, it will likely hit $20,000 for Bitcoin. And ideally, based on my own experience, usually for falling wedge pattern, this will be likely the target, $21,100. But for now, we keep our positions until a confirmation happens. So let's wait if the daily candle will be able to close above this zone resistance right here. So I'm looking at $18,800 daily candle closing above 18,800. Bitcoin will likely to move higher, and possible breakout retest of this zone support. Successful retest will likely push Bitcoin higher back to $20,000 and even $21,000. Possible retest if Bitcoin get rejected from this area will be 17,600 up to 17,800. So this will be the possible retest of support here, just in case. But overall, still, we need to watch out if Bitcoin will be able to break this. So this will be our playing field for now. This area, guys. All right. So possible long near the bottom of this box here. Not a financial advice. And of course, possible short near this area. Top of the OB level here, possibly around 20,400. Ideally, this could be a very, very good short position and short entry point here for Bitcoin. But for now, let's wait for the daily candle close or confirmation. That's for Bitcoin. Let's check actually the lower time frames. What's happening in the lower time frames? In the lower time frames, we have a premium zone in the 4-hour time frame at around 18,800. That's why Bitcoin's price got rejected here. It means that the price at around this level is overvalued and could be possibly making a correction soon. But we need to watch out for the daily candle close. All right, so of course in the 4-hour time frame, we have also our oscillator in the overbought area. And of course, if you want to try out chart prime, so far very good signals coming from this indicator. As what you can see, we had a beautiful bounce from this discount zone. Means that the price is oversold at this level, and we might get a possible bounce when price reaches this green area. This equilibrium is the middle zone, or the no trade zone. And of course, premium will be oversold or overbought area, and possibly we might see a correction when the price hit this area. All right, but overall, guys, my main target remains at 20,000. This was the first target already hit. We need a confirmation right now for Bitcoin if it is going to break this resistance or get rejected. For now, looking very bullish. All right, so that's for Bitcoin. And let's check BNB. BNB, same level. Watch out for this never mind that trade setup. That's for the VIPs. So here, watch out for this very specific zone resistance, guys. I'm expecting a possible rejection from this area up to maximum. We have wicks here, so safer entry will be this premium zone here. This is around $314 up to $220. Of course, we have seen a successful breakout here. If you're going to zoom in, we have seen a breakout from the resistance trend line, retest of support, successful retest, and then we have seen the price continue moving up, and right now this is approaching the zone resistance. So watch out for this two levels here, zone resistance and the premium zone. If you want to have enter a safer short entry point, I suggest you wait for this premium zone here. All right, so that's for BNB. Let's check DXY or US dollar index. As expected, this is still going towards our target. This is right now in the discount zone, and of course Bitcoin is in the premium zone 4-hour time frame. DXY is in the discount zone 4-hour time frame, so we might see a possible bounce here. Let's check price action, but according to the chart, this oscillator is already in the overbought area. Might be a good high risk short for Bitcoin at around that level, and of course we might get a bounce here. If this bounce from this discount zone, then we might see Bitcoin correct a little bit up to that zone support that I've discussed a while ago. Just review the video. Let's check Ethereum. What's happening with my internet? Very slow. Let me know if you were able to follow the trade challenge, guys, because if that format doesn't work for you, then we'll find another format so that you can follow some of my trades. Not a financial advice, of course. Let's check some of the trades here. Aave right now is in the premium zone. Internet slow because of BTC is bullish. BTC taking all the power. So Aave, watch out for this level, premium zone right now, but looks like a successful breakout. We have this order blocks here that pushing the price higher. Also, we have huge chunk of orders here. If you want safer short entry point, I would highly likely consider this area here, but not a financial advice. Don't FOMO. Always do your own analysis before entering a trade. So that's for Aave. These are just some of the charts that I'm looking at right now. Also Gala, let's check Gala. Gala got rejected from this premium zone as discussed on my previous video. If you have been following my video series about my short trade setups and trade updates on YouTube, and of course on TikTok, I am sharing short videos there about my trades. So for Gala, this got rejected exactly as predicted in the premium zone here. Let me know if you are trading any altcoins right now, or if you have any recommendation. So this so far works very good, guys. Chart Prime, Smart Money Concept, and of course we have this Market Oracle. So these are the three indicators that I'm using. We have I'm using Chart Prime Oscillator, Market Oracle from Chart Prime, Smart Money Concept from Chart Prime, and of course you need to check always the volume. So Gala is still trading in between this range, in between the equilibrium and premium level. And of course we have order blocks sitting at around 0.714. Waves approaching equilibrium. I don't want to trade waves because this is small caps and very highly volatile, super high risk. Also, Ocean got rejected from the premium level. Break of structure here, and then we have seen the price move up higher. Dynamic reactor is already is sitting at around 0.18, so possible correction soon for Ocean. Possible rejection area from this 0.3 up to 0.32. premium level sitting at 0.252 up to 0.26. You can wait for the oscillator to at least reach the overbought area before considering a short trade for Ocean. Ethereum dominance. Let's check AXI. If you're trading stocks, I have been posting here. I have added in our right now. Right, so price have closed above this, buy on close above this. So the price manages to close above this area, and then we have hit the TP1. Beautiful trade right there. Another one here, started the year with a bang. This is the same chart. TP123 was hit. Beautiful forex trade right there. And another one is the GBP, what currency is British pound. So buy on close above. This was the buying zone here. TP123. Here's the chart update. There's no chart update for that. All right, another one here. Here's the updates here using the thread. But very good trades from Forex. This is all indicator trading, guys. This is from the using the indicator. So far, so good. The win rate is around 75% so far. So I would consider that win rate as good. What else? We have here Rune. I don't have a lock in trading Rune. This always goes opposite my trade, but we have the premium level here for Rune 1.587 and 1.611. This will serve as a premium level for Rune, so watch out for this level. I think the price already got rejected from here, but still looking very bullish, guys. Let's wait for the confirmation. Of course, we have also in the oscillator, we have bearish divergence here. Price is forming higher high, and oscillator fails to make new high. This is a bearish divergence for Rune. LDO. Candle wick right there from the premium level got rejected. Beautiful, beautiful rejection from that premium zone. Let me show you my tweet, by the way, where I have explained the 20,000. So here, when Bitcoin was trading at around $16,800, I have already predicted majority is calling for 10,000. And expecting a big crash first quarter of 2023. I am going against the grain. In my own opinion, Bitcoin will hit 20,000 first rather than $10,000. It's always important to do your own analysis and come to your own conclusion. So here at this level, I have already predicted Bitcoin. See this weekly chart here? The same chart right now here on Bitcoin. Weekly time frame. I'm going to show you the same chart. Weekly time frame. Oscillator is still showing very bullish in the weekly time frame. Bullish divergence right there. Price forming lower low. Oscillator fails to make new low, hence we are expecting the price to bounce higher. So the same chart here, this was the same chart, guys. 20,000, we are near 20,000 right now. Bitcoin is at $19,000. Look at that. Super, super bullish. This will not stop until most of the short position gets liquidated. Madness, isn't it? I want to hear from all the followers who worship Capo and have been posting about their massive shorts since 16K. I spent 2 days thinking about my 1,000 USD liquidation. I can't imagine how it feels for 3.5 million. My goodness. Let's check AVAX here. Request from Muhammad Zaid. Log in. Cannot log in right now. All right, let's check AVAX. Time runs so fast. Already 1 hour. Been streaming for 42 minutes already. So let's check AVAX. Let's try to find some good trades here. AVAX. Let me show you AVAX chart, by the way. So here in the VIP Discord, guys, let me show you AVAX. This was the long setup for AVAX, falling wedge pattern, exactly as predicted. This was the resistance zone. Price right now getting rejected from this area. Possible retest on 13.8, and ideal breakout target remains at this level here. Let me adjust this a little bit. So that's around $18. Long position entry was very, very good. We're up by 45%. Zenbadzu, welcome to the stream. I need to tag all the $10,000 what do you call them, bear boys. I would like to tag all the bears shouting $10,000. That is possible because we have actually a huge chunk of limit orders. I think most of them are the accounts on Twitter that are shouting for $10,000. Sir, please check Litecoin. So means BTC bottom at 15.5. No one could tell, but my possible bottom for Bitcoin was 14,000. If that's the bottom, then and also the date I predicted November 14 was the bottom. I have posted a video. I have made a video on my YouTube channel forecasting possible bottom November 2021 as possible bottom price for Bitcoin. Exactly on November 10, exactly on that date, we have seen the lowest price for Bitcoin for the year 2021-2022. If that's the bottom, then that was a very, very good call. But still, if Fed will continue raising hikes, then we might see. I'm still expecting a revisit after a year, guys. So 1 year after the peak, we will see the bottom. So that's November 10, possible. And 1 year, there will be a small rally. 1 year from that bottom, November 10, we will see a rally, maybe possible up to 30 to 35,000 Bitcoin, and then a sharp drop, revisiting that previous low after a year, and then we proceed with the bull run. That is the usual cycle for Bitcoin and most of the cryptos. If crypto or Bitcoin will repeat the same cycle, then we are still on track. Let's check AVAX. Where's my AVAX chart? Here. I would like to show you guys AVAX. This was also posted in our VIP Discord, by the way. If you are watching the details here closely, AVAX weekly time frame sitting on order block level and the last support. So here I have shared a long entry point for AVAX. This is around 10.752. This is the entry point, 10.752. And here's the chart update, guys. Perfect bounce from long entry point. So we got a bounce here. Beautiful bounce, 10.752. And this is when Amazon announces its partnership with AVAX. And then we have seen most of the retails FOMO'd on the news, and then instant 45% pump from that long entry point. So here's the latest chart right now. This is the weekly time frame. So weekly time frame, we got this bullish signal here. Overall, watch out for this blue line. This is around 15.63 resistance. This is the weekly resistance, guys, and it's actually a zone resistance from this area up to here. So here, this will be the zone resistance for AVAX. Multi-time frame confluence is very, very important to increase the chances of getting the trade right. So zone resistance at around 15.7 up to 16.6. Let's check the daily time frame. So this was our zone resistance in the weekly. This is in confluence with the smart money concept, premium level, or the premium zone. Smart money concept indicator is showing the premium zone here at around 16.29 up to 16.8. So this will serve as a resistance for AVAX. If you're going to zoom out, this is already a successful breakout, guys. So retest, possible retest of support. Watch out for this very specific level, 13.1 up to 13.9. So if you want to catch, this is the usual price action after a breakout, guys. So breakout, I have explained this several times on my stream, and you will not be able to find this anywhere. This information is based on my own experience, and I'm sharing it with you right now. So after a successful breakout, not a financial advice. So after a successful breakout like this, usually after a big green candle, usually it will be followed by a bull flag. This is a bull flag right here. Bull flag, and then continue its trend. In order for you to get the possible target, we get the length of this pole here. Get the length of this pole, drag it up. This will be the first bull flag target at around $20.673 for AVAX. Let me delete all of this. So bull flag. This is how you get the bull flag target. Drag this up here. This is the pole. This is the flag. So this is around 19.6. Let me move this one here. So 19.71 will be the bull flag target for AVAX. But looking at the daily time frame, possible retest of support at around this equilibrium area, or this zone support, 13 up to 13.8. So that's for AVAX. Trading range, possible long entry point at around this area, 13.1 up to 13.9. Bull flag target remains at $20 or 19.5 to $20, 20.8. All right, so that's for AVAX. Let's check Litecoin, LTC. By the way, you need to check out for, watch out for the Litecoin halving. I think it's coming near. So watch out for that one. Possible pump. It could possibly pump the price of Litecoin. So for Litecoin, premium zone, 1 hour time frame. Let's check the higher time frame first. We have the same level here. So premium zone for Litecoin and possible double top here. Premium zone. This was the first rejection from the premium area. Let's check how many percent was this. This was around 30% drop from the premium zone. Right now, this is approaching the same level. I think I'm holding short position here. RLC from the sun. Let's check RLC after. One sec, let me check my trades here. I'm still holding my Litecoin position here. Want to sign into my, let me sign into my BitGet account. One sec. Futures, all right. One sec, guys. All right, let me put this back here. So here's the BitGet trade. Look at this, guys. So this is what I'm explaining. After a successful breakout, I will show you what I'm trying to say a while ago. So after a successful breakout here, this will form a bull flag, all right? Bull flag. Take this pole here, drag it up here to get the first target. This was the first target. I have taken profit here, $17,500. I have re-entered on retested support for Bitcoin. Another breakout here. Look at this, very bullish, guys. Let me make this all right, so another breakout, forming a bull flag. Drag this one here up, target, beautiful. So that's an exclusive trade idea from me, guys. That is from my years of experience. I'm sharing it with you right now. You will not find this, I think, on any books, but this is the usual price action. Price action is always the key. After a breakout like this, it's always followed by a bull flag. So from this bull flag, in order for you to get the target, you drag this pole, you measure this pole, drag it up to get the target. This was a beautiful, beautiful target. Similar to this previous trade here, this was a beautiful target to 20,500. All right, beautiful, beautiful. Your gala trade is good, bro. What else? But chill, LTC follows BTC. It won't drop until BTC drop, even if it's trying to double top. BTC is similar to Litecoin right now. BTC is on the resistance, as explained a while ago. If you can check the chart, BTC is on that zone resistance right now. So same with Litecoin, it is already in the premium zone, and we have our oscillator right now almost in the overbought area. And of course, we have this bearish divergence showing here. Price trading on the same level, oscillator forming higher lows, and of course approaching the overbought area. So possible double top here. Let's check how the price reacts so far. If you check the lower time frame, rejected one time here, rejected twice. So I think Litecoin is having a hard time. Of course, another bearish divergence formation in the 4-hour time frame. Price forming higher high, oscillator fails to make new high. We have also another bearish divergence here. One sec. So here, price is forming higher high, oscillator forming higher lows. Bearish divergence from Litecoin. Not a financial advice, but these are the two levels that you need to watch out: premium and of course OB level. If you want safer entry, wait for this OB level. But if you are if you know how to DCA, usually in most of my position, another tip here from me. So usually if I'm trading, I don't enter all in one time in most of my trades. So first, I would do a test buy. Probably around 50% of the trade if I'm lazy. So 50% I would enter here. So I would set a limit order here, 50%. And if this, just in case, if the price goes up to here, then I have another position sitting at around this area. And that way I can average down my price in the middle. So 50% of the position here, another 50% here. So if I have $100, I would enter $50 here, another $50 here. That would average the position just in case the price goes up to this level. So you can average your price higher just in case price will break this resistance here. So that's one type of DCA position. But if you master DCA, you can increase your win rate up to 90%. That is not a question. That would be easy target. Your Gala trade is good. Can you check, please, Solana? Let's check Solana. So that's for Litecoin. Let's check Solana here. I would like to enter some trade actually. I think we need to wait for confirmation. I would like to do a live trade here. Let's check Bitcoin actually. One sec. Let me recheck Bitcoin. One sec. I'll check Solana after this. I would like to enter a live trade right now. This is actually breaking above. It's better to wait for confirmation right now, because if I'm going to enter short position here, this looks like a successful breakout. Let me adjust this, by the way. Let me adjust this a little bit. So here, daily candle close. It's actually looks like a good entry point here, but in the daily time frame, the price right now is trading above this dynamic reactor, and this turns green, means that this dynamic reactor will act as a support right now for Bitcoin. Let's wait. I'm tempted to go on short here. I have already entered short position on my Binance account, not a financial advice. For Litecoin as well, I have opened a position for Litecoin here. Let me show it to you. So for Litecoin, I am already shorting Litecoin on that premium level. For Bitcoin, let me try to DCA here. I think this is a good entry point here. I could, I think, get 100% from here. So for Bitcoin, I have entered at around 18,800, negative 20% right now. So let's wait. I'm still holding my long position, guys. 1,500% for Bitcoin. I'm still holding my long position for Ethereum. Beautiful trade here. 2,000% for Ethereum. And all other trades, Polkadot, I'm still holding my Polkadot. You know that I have a lot of I have been hodling Polkadot, especially during this bear market, and I have a lot of I have a great target for Polkadot. I think Polkadot will do great on the next bull run. Especially, they are not linked to most of the bad happenings in crypto. They're not linked to FTX. They're not linked to Luna. They're not linked to any controversies right now. But they're just building a very robust ecosystem for Polkadot. So let's check Solana. Can you check Solana? So that's my current positions right now, guys. Let's check Solana, probably last chart for tonight. Salt. All right, so this is already trading above, guys, trading above the resistance, and this was the strong zone resistance for Solana. This looks bullish, probably gonna hit the next resistance here at $22. We have some small last resistance here for Solana. If price manages to break this one, price action, this will be likely. All right, watch out for this price action, guys. Let me zoom out a little bit. Weekly time frame. Oh yeah, I remember Solana. I have made a chart for this, and I have shared it in the VIP Discord, and we got a very, very beautiful bounce from zone support, guys. So this was already pointed out earlier for Solana. Zone support, beautiful bounce from this area, almost up by how many percent right now from this zone? It is around 100%. So full body of the candle trading above this previous resistance, guys, still looking very bullish. First resistance right here. Ideally, I think this would hit this target here. In the weekly time frame, we don't have much trade in between, guys. We don't have much trade in between. So wow, the next resistance in the weekly time frame and the next order blocks is sitting institutional order, limit orders, positions, buy orders waiting at this area here, short positions, $26 up to $32 for Solana. Zone, resistance, and next weekly resistance. So weekly time frame, guys, we don't have much trade here. This will be the first, but the strongest resistance and order blocks sitting at around 26.5 for Solana. This kind of trade, if I see this kind of chart, I would like to FOMO right away. But let's check the lower time frame. In the lower time frames, however, we have the premium zone here. Solana trying to break this premium zone in confluence with the order block level, 16.7 up to 18.1. That's for Solana. Possible retest of support here and possible long entry point, guys, if this manages to hold. Not a financial advice. How to get VIP access through crypto. You can head on to our Telegram group, USDT, and then you can head on to Patreon, guys. Patreon, you follow the steps here on how to pay on crypto. So basically we have 1 month fee, 6 months, 12 months, lifetime. You can follow the steps here. Going back to Solana. So possible we have change of character here. So from a downtrend, we have a change of character for Solana, and right now this is our zone. Beautiful, beautiful zone right here. Zone support. Zone support for Solana. Price right now is just trading in between the zone support and premium level, guys. Should I set limit order here at around 15.3? Let me try. Not a financial advice. Most of the charts that I'm showing you here are for educational purposes only. This is not to be considered as financial advice. TRX. Solana. Let me just set a limit order here. So beautiful. This is just trading in range, guys. This is trading in between this premium and OB level, and of course we have our zone here. Look at this, very beautiful resistance. This was the previous resistance for Solana here, this area. Look at this rejection, rejection here, rejection, 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 and right now this will act as a very good support for Solana. Zone support, guys. We have our dynamic reactor here. Soon this will move a little bit higher and fetch the price. Limit order. I'll set to 14 and 15.2. 15.2. $12x. Solana is only 12x in Binance. My phone is about to die, guys, so might end this stream soon. So let me just set a limit order here. All right, 15.2. Up to 14.38 for Solana. All my phones are dead. So premium zone, if you are trading, if you are scalping rather, this is a very good zone right here. If you are scalping Solana, how many percent is this trade? Wow, this was 8% move. Let me again enter a trade here. So 8%. Wow. Is that 8%? So 8%, possible swing trade here, lower time frame, short, long, short, long, short, long, possible short here. Let's check. This remains valid until a breakout, either from zone support, breakout here, or breakout to the upside. But for now, this is just trading in between this premium and discount zone in the 15-minute time frame. Beautiful smart money concept indicators from Chart Prime. 8%. I missed this one, guys. Solana has been trading in between this range. 8% move. Hopefully I can still catch one more wave to the downside here. Let me check. Do we still have any requests here before we end the stream? Rashad! Welcome to the stream, mate. How's it going? We missed you in the VIP. Muhammad Saeed, Atom, and Polygon Matic. Let's check Atom. Where's Atom? Let me find Atom first. Atom. Oh, I'm overtime here. 1 hour and 10 minutes. I guess you misunderstood my chat. I was complaining. I was complimenting you. Why do you follow him? He's not good. He's like many other MM who's set up screw retail trader. Yeah, now no more. Simply chill. They're a big mistake when you follow multiple traders. BTC. For Atom, this is the 15-minute time frame. This is right now. Still, same with Solana. This right here, multiple trades, is acting as a support right now for Atom. But let's check here. Bearish divergence. This is what I want to point out. All right. So for Atom, we have actually a bearish divergence here. Resistance. Let me find a resistance here. It's actually very good short right now. One sec, guys. Let's check the risk to reward ratio here for Atom. 3% up to probably up to this level. 7%. Right, that's good, looking good. 3%, that's acceptable. Atom right now decrease the leverage in Binance to 20%, 20x rather. So sec, guys. So this looks like a good short entry point for Atom, not a financial advice. If you're going to check the weekly time frame, let me point this out. I think this will be the last chart for tonight. So for Atom, look at this level, guys. This orange level right here. This was the previous resistance for Atom, all right? Let me point this out. So rejected price, getting rejected from this orange line. Another rejections here from this orange line. A little bit of noise to the upside here at this point. But overall, again, Atom got rejected here. Right now, the dynamic reactor in the daily time frame is acting as a support for Atom. But another rejection right here. Another rejection. Right now, the price is on this very specific line, 12.11. And the risk is around 3.62%. I think the risk to reward ratio is pretty good for this one. 3.62 versus 7.49. So I would enter a short position here for Atom. Not a financial advice, guys. And of course, manage your risk. This is not a recommendation. I would personally enter or trade this one short position. I would set my stop loss just a little bit above all of this wicks here. So I would set it around 12.6 dollar. 12.6, guys. So this will be just a little bit above all these wicks, and let's see how it goes. So that's it for today. We have a lot of discount zone, beautiful bounce here for Atom in the daily time frame. Overall, this looks like already in a very good resistance point. If you want a safer entry, wait for this area right here. This will be a safer short entry point. All right, so let's share this in the VIP Discord. Orange line. Where's the VIP Discord? Where's Discord? Oh my goodness. Futures trade. Not financial advice. All right, so that's it for today, guys. Thanks for joining me. I missed doing live streams, and of course I want to update you with our chart, and want to show you that you need to be careful in following whoever on Twitter, including me. Don't just follow anyone. Don't just blindly follow anyone on Twitter or any social media accounts. Always do your own research, do your own analysis. You are totally responsible with your personal trades. So that is why manage always your risk. You don't want to lose your hard-earned cash because you FOMO'd into a trade or you entered a bad trade. So again, thanks for joining me today. Hopefully we can continue to smash the market. Hopefully I can continue giving you good trades. Share, like, and follow me in all my social media accounts if you don't want to miss out in most of my trades. I will continue to update you. I will continue to update you in most of my trades on Twitter. For this one, I have entered short right now, not a financial advice. Always do your own research and trade safely, protect your assets at all times. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.